Daniel from the Assessment Toolbox here. Let's make a good answer key for your Google form. First, we have to turn on quiz mode, and that's done in Settings, Quizzes. Make this a quiz. Once we save this, now we've unlocked the new option, Answer Key, down here. So I can click on Answer Key, and I'm going to select who was the first president, George Washington. 1 point sounds good to me. That can be adjusted there, and done. This is a required question. Here's my big tip for you. Always have them required. Then when you have a question you like, if you have similar questions, duplicate it, and that way all the settings like required are still there. So who's the first president was the first question. Here's my next question. Which president's not on Mount Rushmore? So I go to Answer Key. It's not George Washington. I need to unselect that, so it's not him. If I leave that and also add John Adams, then it's going to screw up my grading. So I need to just put who the correct answer is right there. Keep it at 1 point. Click Done. Fantastic. So for any other question, you can just duplicate and change it. I do need to show you this. How do students give multiple correct answers? You have to do it not under multiple choice, but on check boxes. So here's a question. Which president served after the 1700s? That's going to be Abraham Lincoln and Teddy Roosevelt. So my answer key now needs to show just those two, and that way students are able to click multiple. If it was still on multiple choice, they could only select one of those. So there you go. Let's talk about briefly long answer sections. This is not going to be auto-graded, but it's going to be very, very simple for you to grade it as well. So answer key and answer feedback. Type in some notes here. Students will see this, but you will also see it as a reminder as you grade, and you'll just be able to click yes or no for if they got the credit for it. So type in your notes about what you want to see from your students and type it in right there. Students will see this note in the grading, but so will you. And so type in a good answer that you want right there. So this is part of a playlist. If you need more help, stick around for the playlist, click subscribe. And if this was helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up so other teachers can find it too.